Cleveland trying to finally put its lead poisoning legacy behind it. The city's taking a major step to get rid of lead paint that's already poisoned thousands of children.
But already some are concerned the new lead-safe legislation has at least one major holdup that could keep it from working. 5 on your side investigator Joe Paganakis is live at City Hall, where city leaders still need to figure out where they'll get the money.
And Danita, can the city coordinate such a huge effort to hold lead paint violators accountable within the next 20 months?
The legislation also requires
Cleveland City Council passes what it called historic lead-safe legislation on Wednesday. But some are concerned critical details and funding are missing from the plan that would work towards making 80,000 Cleveland rental units lead paint safe certified by March of 2021.
They didn't even think about it. They just said, let's do something. Let's pass something.
Anita Gardner, president of the Concerned Citizens Community Council that keeps watch on the standards of thousands of Cleveland homes, believes Cleveland housing inspectors will not be ready to enforce the lead legislation, even if more inspectors are hired.
I already have enough problems getting housing inspections to go out and check for garbage in the yard, cars parked in the yard, windows broken, back porches falling.
Cleveland Housing Court Judge Ron O'Leary is also concerned about finding enough funding for the plan and enough private inspectors to handle the tens of thousands of lead inspections.
Making sure that there are enough people that meet the qualifications to be able to do these lead risk assessments. That's going to be critical.
Cleveland Councilman Tony Brancatelli was the only no vote and wanted to hold off on a vote for 60 days until more details on the lead legislation were hammered out. He says the lead legislation lacks a staffing plan and didn't include enough input from landlords. Meanwhile, Gardner believes without full funding, enforcement of the plan will cost already stressed out homeowners thousands, causing them to abandon their properties.
You've added something else to make somebody ditch a house or break the law. You've just added another problem to an already seriously burdened community.
And Cleveland Housing Court says lead-safe education is also another critical component. That's why it's hosting a series of landlord, tenant, and housing investor lead-safe clinics. It'll also use social media as a way to get the message out. Reporting live here at Cleveland City Hall, I'm 5 on your side investigator Joe Paganakis.